Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing the new kidney grills. I had put some new ones on it, but then I think, I'm not sure how it happened, but the clip snapped. I think someone's tried to take them off, but I thought I'd get new ones because it's just flopping around. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing in today's video. Now before we get on, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like our videos, because we are doing something every week on the car. If not, we'll find something to do. But yeah, so first things first, we're going to have a look. Now, I did ask you guys to guess what it was. I'm guessing some people have guessed it. Yeah, these are the new kidney grills. These are my new kidney grills, yeah. So it's very simple how to do it. All you need to do is pretty much, now because these are broken already, it's pretty much comes off, but what you need to do is take all these bolts here. You see all these bolts at the front, so you can loosen this, and you pretty much put your hand at the back and it loosens the front clip, and this pretty much just pops off like that, and then you just get the bottom of it to come straight off. Now these are broken, so hopefully you won't mess up. Ah, great, perfect. Now, right, now before we do anything, we're going to clean this bit here, so bear with me a second. Now, first thing you're going to do, you want to clean it. And now I'm using this because obviously I've already got it out, but just want to clean everything out a bit. As you can hear, we might as well clean it. So give it a clean. Don't ask me why I'm using this, but yeah. Now, it's pretty much simple. So you have the clips there, so you just want to put it in, and you put it like that, and this should just clip straight in. Like that. So much better, so much better. Yeah, same with the other one as well. As you can see now, these are broken, so it's just going to fall off. But yeah, it's coming straight off like that. And same again. You want to clean. Now, I'm really sorry. Don't roast me in the comments. I'm using actually interior. I'm going to connect it anyway, so it doesn't matter. Want to get the other one, and then same thing goes again. So push in, push that is done. Perfect. Look quite nice. Look much better. Yeah, perfect. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. There's more coming now, so yeah, bear with me. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm sorry for the quality, but peace. Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do